Hey everyone, this is Chris over at Ace Vacuums, your one-stop shop for all of your cleaning needs. Today I want to make a video explaining kind of the different things that we do with our store. So a lot of people know us as a repair shop as well as a sales and service center. A lot of people do not know that we do warranty work on all major brands. So our company, we are located in Northern Virginia. We're proudly serving everybody from Leesburg to Fairfax up to Maryland, DC area, and all the surrounding areas. If you have a vacuum that's a Shark, a Hoover, Oreck, Dyson, Bissell, Riccar, Kirby, Miele, iRobot, all those names, and you're looking for warranty work, look no further and come see us here at Ace Vacuums. We handle all warranty work and all warranty repairs here on site. We don't send our vacuums off, so when you have a repair that comes in for warranty, so if your bissell's not having suction or putting out water for your carpet shampooer, if the iRobot isn't spinning, if the Dyson's loss of suction or isn't charging, please come see us here at Ace Vacuums. We can handle all of your warranty work. Typically, we can get our warranty work out within a couple days. Once you bring it here to our store, there is no appointment needed. We work off a first come, first served basis. We are here 7 days a week, Monday through Friday, from 10 to 6, Saturday 9 to 5, Sunday 11 to 5. All of our warranty work, we will need you to bring in a proof of purchase or a receipt of purchase whenever you stop in. Just bring that in with you. We'll get some of your basic information as to what's going on with the vacuum and things like that. Then what we'll do, we'll send all that off to the manufacturer for approval on warranty repair work and get either the parts ordered or get you a new machine, whatever needs to happen. We will get that done for you, and then we'll shoot you a call or text and let you know when everything is approved, and then when it's also time to pick up and your vacuum is ready to go. If you have any questions, give us a call at 703-997-9292. We do all major repairs from motors, water pumps, circuit boards, all the way down to small repairs as well as belts, replacements, rollers, and all that type of stuff. You can like us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, as well as follow us on YouTube to keep up to date with all the stuff we got going on. If you guys have any questions, don't be afraid to hit us up and let us know, okay? Again, for all your warranty work, come see us here at Ace Vacuums. We're located in a few stores here in Northern Virginia, and if you need anything, come by and see us. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have questions, please give us a call. Have a good one.